Welcome to Kwon's Corner. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make Korean barbecue taco. Let's get started. Today, I wanna teach you guys my favorite Korean salad that goes really well with the Korean barbecue. If you eat this salad with the Korean barbecue, it will be really 맛있어. Since this dish is really simple, I wanna add a little twist. So I wanna teach you a Korean Mexican fusion dish, which is taco! Hola, ¿qué pasa? Muchachos! Señor! To get started, we need a green onion. Oh, it smells so fresh. I like it. Cut it a little less than... okay, focus. Cut it a little less than the length of your tortilla. Yes! Slice it. Okay. Cut each piece lengthwise. Take out the inner layer and fold the outer layers together, and you can either roll it or fold it like this and julienne them. This way is so much easier to julienne. Or you can julienne them normally. So I'm crying. Oh, I'm seriously crying a lot. Oh no! Once you finish slicing, get a big bowl, put all the chopped green onion. Next, pour enough cold water to cover the green onion. We're soaking the green onion to get rid of the spiciness and put to the side. Now we're gonna make our sauce. We need a spoon of sugar, 2 spoons of red pepper flakes. I'm adding 2 different kinds of red pepper flakes to make it more spicy. One is non-spicy and one is extra spicy, which is 청양고추. Next, we need 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, and we need 2 small garlic. And mix it well. And have a taste. Ooh. Oh my gosh, it's so spicy. It's a little salty and sweet and very spicy. But if you add the non-spicy red pepper flake, it's not gonna be spicy like mine, so don't worry about it. Oh my gosh, it's so spicy. Next, get a strainer and drain all the water. After you drain the water, put it into a big bowl and add 2 spoons of sauce. The amount of the sauce will be different, depends on the amount of the green onion, so add little by little. After you mix well, add another sprinkle of the red pepper flakes. It can be spicy one or non-spicy one. It all depends on your preference, but I use the extra spicy one. And then add a tablespoon of sesame oil. And add some toasted sesame seed on top. That's it for our salad, so let's have a taste. Oh, 맛있다. Ooh, very spicy. I really want a strip of pork belly right now. It will go so well, but I'm crying. It's super spicy. But I really like it. So put to the side. Oh my gosh, I'm sweating a lot. Next, we need 3 cloves of garlic. We're gonna pan fry the garlic and put it on top of the meat. Cut the end. And we're gonna slice thinly and put to the side. Get a pan and turn your stove on medium low. And we're gonna add sesame oil. Once pan is heated, we're gonna add the garlic. Cook your garlic to your preference. I like to taste the little spice of the garlic, so I'm gonna cook it a little less, but you can definitely cook it longer. And turn your stove up and put your garlic to the side. Wipe the pan and turn your stove on medium high. And we're gonna add my favorite food, pork belly. Get as much as you want, and I'm gonna use 2 strips of pork belly. Whoa. 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 Sprinkle some salt on top. And add some pepper. Oh my god, it smells so good. I love meat. Get ready for the pork belly pork! Oh my gosh, look at the color! It looks so good. Look at it. Oh my god, can you guys see it? Oh my god, it looks so pretty. When you cook pork belly, try to flip as little as possible. If you flip a lot, it will make the pork belly drier. Once you cook the both sides, turn your stove off and put your meat on a cutting board. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Oh my gosh, look at the fat and the color. This makes me drool. Okay, now we are gonna slice it. Cut it into bite-sized pieces. And have a taste. Oh my god, it just melted in my mouth and it is super tender and delicious. I love it so much. Next, get your pan and wipe it. And turn your stove on medium. And get the thinly sliced beef brisket, which is called chadolbagi. This one cooks really fast, so it's like done. So I don't have time to explain. So put some chadolbagi on the pan. And add some salt. Oh my gosh, it's already cooking. Once you don't see the red part, get your meat out. Oh my gosh, it's ready. Second meat, ready to cook. Okay, let's have taste. Wow. 미쳤어. 밥 어디 있어? 밥이야 먹고 있어. Wow. Just so you know, chadolbagi has a lot of fat. So even I just cook like a little bit, it has this much fat like on it. But it's not greasy. It's super tasty because I ate it with this and it got rid of all the greasiness and tastes super good. I don't need to make taco. It already tastes good. Get another pan and turn your stove on medium-low. Once the pan is heated, put your tortilla in the pan. Once you heat the tortilla up, take it out. Heat up as many tortilla as you want. Tacos, taco, taco, tacos, tacos. Okay, put your hot tortilla and then first I'm gonna put the pork belly. Put as much as you want. More is better. And we're gonna add some veggie on top. And don't forget to put some garlic. Put another tortilla on right next to it, and we're gonna put the chadolbagi on top this time. And put the veggies on top. And on top of that, add some garlic. And add another tortilla, and this time I'm gonna mix the meat. So put the samgyeopsal on the bottom and put the chadolbagi on top. Of course, on top of that, add some salad. On top of that, add some garlic. That's it. Our Korean taco is all ready to eat. Eating time! Oh my gosh, I've been waiting for this moment. Let's see. Oh my gosh. This is literally one of my favorite taco. It's so good. My favorite part is I can put as much meat as I want. Since I put a lot of meat, it's so beefy, but it's not greasy at all because of the spicy salad. I think the garlic makes this dish next level. At first, I can't taste it, and then I feel the texture. And it hit the garlic spice and it gives really good taste. Booyah! Oh my god, so good. No, I shouldn't do it. No, go away. No. Let's try the pork belly one. Oh my gosh. It might be better than the first one. The chador is really thin and tender, and it kind of like melted down and disappear right away. The pork belly is really thick and I can No, now I kind of need to... I really like the texture, and of course it goes super well with the salad. Now I gotta try the giant one. Oh my gosh, I don't even know I can eat it. It looks so thick. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. I was right. More is always better. I put tons of meat and it gives really good flavor. Personally, I like to... Oh, it was there and I felt it now. Finally! Personally, I like to take big bites of my food, and this is what I've been waiting for. I really love it. When I take a bite, what's the word? Like, I gotta learn more English to express better. Okay, it was like heaven in my mouth. My spirit left my body. It's really good, so you should definitely try. And if you try, please send me through social media. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Kwon's Corner Somebody. I'm gonna put the link down below. And tell me which one was your favorite. See you next week. 안녕! If you like this episode, please hit subscribe and the like button. And if you wanna see more video, it's over there and over there. And if you have any requests, please comment down below. I'll make sure to cover it in a future episode. See you next week. 안녕!